Soy de aguardiente y de cañal, soy de carreta y cafetal, de campesino, de marimba y carnaval.
Wow! Oh, we got it for a sec. This reminds me, what you drinking?
This thing.
Strawberry banana. How much money you got on you? Show 'em. Hold it up. 2 mil.
That's everybody.
He's a rich man. 2 million colones. That's the currency here. It's colones. This reminds me of Panama when I was down there for the 2-week camp when I was in the National Guard. Just huts everywhere and wild fruit like lemon and cacao and cows everywhere, animals. Costa Rica has more species than any other country in the world. Like it's the most biodiverse. So there is a lot to see here. I guess there's monkeys and ocelots and sloths. There's a lot of things to see. So we're looking forward to seeing them. Joni, you want to try it?
You have the chunks a little bit in your mouth that it's sweet. They make it sweet.
I'm gonna try it now.
Okay. Try not to spill. We're going to the jungle. Rocky, you feeling any better? Oh, good. He got super car sick. Look out the window and get some air in your face. Brooklyn, what do you think of this place so far? Tell us though, what stands out to you?
Green.
Green. And this is the dry season. It's crazy.
This is the river, guys. This is the lower part. You want to fish around 400 yards from here.
If we see a toucan, you gotta record it.
The left hand side. So,
Or a
of
monkey.
course, we want to drive a little more to get to the upper part. And it's dam control river, remember? So, they start to release the
I got it. Aloe vera.
That's good.
On the dog.
Spanglish.
That's good.
Yeah, I know.
There's chunks of aloe vera in here. You see them? Floating
Not
around.
here.
They raise a lot of aloe vera in this area. It's one of their main exports. I like it. Healthy inside and out. Hi girls. It's aloe vera. Poor Brock got so car sick. Hi Brett. Hi. Brock. Hi. You ready? You glad to be on the bus?
You feel a little bit better?
That medicine must have helped a lot. It's a ginger pill of some kind.
Could you do that?
Brooklyn.
Could you do it now?
When you start going down.
Hey.
Only get down when you said
Joni.
Right.
We're on the river.
Get Didier. Our guy.
Here.
Pura vida. Ready for the action.
For life.
Alright.
We're down on the job.
Yeah. You all can get in the water here.
Come on, go get in the water.
You get in the water.
We just passed some trees with the iguanas in them.
You want me to get in the water?
Brooklyn.
Brooke, in this way a little bit, on your chest.
Brittany.
This way. You can turn on your chest and swim to the right side of the river. Right there, yeah. Keep swimming a little more, keep swimming. There you go. Okay, feet up again. Feet up, Brooke. Oh, feet up.
Joni.
Very refreshing. The white trunk.
Oh, I see it.
Come on, camera.
It's the very
Zoom.
top.
There's the sloth. Right there. That big dark spot in the middle.
Yeah, that's it. It's on the very top.
Okay, Brittany, go backwards, Brittany. Paddle backwards. I need your help.
Aaron.
De aguardiente y de cañal, soy de carreta y cafetal, de campesino, de marimba y carnaval.
How do I
Soy
zoom
de
in?
paisaje de color, soy de montaña y de...
It's our little treat. How do I zoom in?
With that. Yeah.
Oh.
Is it too zoom?
Brock, you were so close to jumping. How come you didn't do it? You're a champ, though.
I was.
You were?
I thought you were gonna do it.
I changed my mind when I got on the boat.
You're like, wait, I should have done it. Is that what you're saying? Shoot. Where's Brittany?
For mine. I'm so mad.
Did you lose it?
Yeah, I lost my charger like that.
Oh. What do you got?
Mine's you see your brand? You see that?
This is
Olympus.
Olympus. Well, we'll borrow you one if you need it.
So you guys, that's the one that charges inside, right? You have to unlock it to get into it.
Yeah, try.
Okay.
Look at that thing shedding.
Just kidding.
They're just gonna run away.
You wanna go again, bro?
You gonna try again?
Yeah, let's do it. There you go. Wait, let me help you. I don't want you to hold out.
I think I got that on camera. Hey, babe.
Hey. This is so awesome. So funny. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. It won't fall apart. Forward. Guys, forward. Paddle forward. Stop! Muy bien! Muy bien! Good job. We did it! That was the practice. There is a better one.
Whoa! I'm trying to record Brock. Well, it got me recording Brock.
Yeah.
Forward.
Do you see him? Do you see him, Brett? It's over here.
Oh yeah, it's up there top
That
there.
I can't tell.
Have you seen the Flintstone? Flintstone.
There it is.
The way how they stop the car with their feet. That's the way how you stop the car.
Stop lizard. Stop monkey. Now we see a toucan.
It's a lawn.
Wow.
Forward.
Look at this.
And there is swallows flying all over. Look at the black vulture flying there.
That's what they
black
are.
vulture looking
Black
for
vulture.
swimmers. You fall out, he's gonna eat you, huh? Stay on the rock.
So calm right here.
In the jungle? Joni of the jungle. Watch out for that tree.
Brittany.
Put on these
What,
sunglasses.
Joni, what would you recap?
Oh
Brittany?
my gosh. Brittany, how was that?
It was really fun.
She wants to do it again.
First it was scary, but
Her face. When we went on the first rapid, Brittany, and we stopped to practice, your face, you looked a little nervous.
Looked like a little bit of terror.
Like, oh my gosh, we're gonna do
What
that.
are we gonna do? Get ourselves into. But then,
honestly, that's why
okay.
I'm looking.
Oh, I see. But then she got it.
She did.
She was good. So
There's
did
Brooklyn.
Brock.
Hi, Brooklyn.
Look at me, woman.
Anyway, it was a great time. Didier was a lot of the reason why,
That was
because
so fun.
he was so cool.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I was impressed
We
with
were doing a lot
Brock.
of stuff that the other groups weren't doing. So he really took care of us.
Por vida, for life. It's great.
Yeah, it was great.
We should come back here and do it again.
Ya vuelto a anochecer, soy de caballo y de sombrero, de ganado y de potrero. Costa Rica vas dentro de mí, yo soy de ti.
It's raining.
It
We're in
is.
the rainforest. How fun.
I'm getting wet.
Rocky. Hey. Can we get our friends here? Jamie and Steve from
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia. All right, go.
From Plano, Utah.
How do you like the food? It's Costa Rican food.
Yes. It's like mashed potatoes. I don't know if it is.
I don't either. I think it was probably a roux.
Entonces, denle vuelta a las tazas y toman café y ya le vamos a llevar el café para allá. Thank you very much and enjoy your lunch. Buen provecho.
What are they showing us, Johnny?
How they brew their coffee here.
The special
longer,
process
the better.
without electricity,
Yeah.
right? This is quite a spread. It's nice. No. There. Sugar cane.
Real sugar cane. Rocky likes it.
He's like, yeah. You need some sugar.
Real sugar cane.
He's running on fumes.
It'll pick you up a little bit.
What is
Sugar.
I can't. There it is, right there.
What did y'all find?
It's a toucan.
A toucan.
A toucan.
A couple of them. Toucan Sam.
Oh, I see two
Where?
of them. Two toucans.
I see them.
I
Oh
can.
my god, that's so crazy. Male
Hey,
You made it happen.
what you doing? We're gonna go watch a presentation on sugar.
Take a look at this. Eso, Pallino, con más fuerza, ¿no? Dale un poquito a los de allá, a los primeros. Right? Okay? We need one of you to decide who wants to feed, to take the sugar cane and put it through it, and one of you waiting here to catch the cane. Up to you. And you're on the hand, right? Wait a minute, what do you want to take?
Push or pull?
You push or you catch the cane? Catch. Okay, so you stay here, you go with him over there.
He's really
okay, and you go on the handles right here. Happen that you need to go on different directions, right? You go this way, he does the other. Give a little push right there.
Get your hands out
We
there,
go
Brock.
for it. Eso es. See, all right. So you need to catch the cane. Don't worry about this. It will stay here. Catch this cane. Okay, there you go.
Oh, wow.
There you go. Wow, let's pull,
Very
let's
cool.
pull, mi amigo. Harder, harder. Vámonos. There you go. Ah, but it's not over yet. Every single sugar cane, in order to extract most of the juice, right, we need to do it at least 3 times. We might think the second round will be very easy. It's not. It will be harder. There you go. Excelente. Esto que se llama bagazo lo utilizamos para los animales. Para darle a las vacas, las cabras, todos ellos se lo comen. Está contando que tiene algunas vitaminas, tiene minerales, tiene un poquito de proteína y mucha energía.
Doblo y codo, como es poquito, me lo tomo todo. Salud,
The best part is coming now. Right here, our friends, they are going to pass around all 3
Very nice. Very
This
nice.
is a rum made out of the sugar cane.
Yo soy de ti.